One major experience that had a pretty large impact on my life and really encapsulate what the value that Canisius brings to a student's life is the opportunity to compete in the CFA Research Challenge.
The CFA Institute Research Challenge started in 2007. Each local competition, a publicly traded subject company is selected, and the universities in that region all do their full-blown research reports on that subject company.
So there's two primary deliverables, one being the written report, and the second deliverable was a PowerPoint presentation. There was going to be 10 minutes of prepared remarks and then 10 minutes of question and answer.
They're graded by CFA experts. The winners of those regions formulate the global Final Four. So Canisius has participated all 7 years that the competition has been run.
So Dr. Wall would like to tell you, and I'm sure it's true, but any school that gets bracketed with us in the first round is not very happy about it. They're pretty displeased at the fact that they would have to beat us to go to the finals because of our record.
Canisius, out of 865 universities across 70 countries, became global champion of the CFA Institute Research Challenge. The first U.S. university to do it since the very first year of the competition in 2007, and still today, the only U.S. university to do so.
Probably 5 minutes before we gave our final global presentation, I think we all kind of took a step back. We're obviously very nervous before we go up there, but we really thought about, like, we're the small school from Buffalo, New York, competing against some of the largest universities in the world, and we're in the final. Like, that's incredible in itself. And then to actually win the final was, unbelievable.
Officially, when you take part in the CFA Challenge, Research Challenge, you get one industry mentor and then one faculty mentor. So for us, Dr. Wall was the faculty mentor, Professor Gattuso was the industry mentor.
To think that a professor who is dealing with student emails, who's got classes to teach, they were in Atlanta with us, and they were spending that much time helping us dissect our presentation.
They're in the lab just as much. We can call them whenever we need to, and having that connection and that help is huge.
Getting those views from academics and industry professionals like Wall and Gattuso, we don't win that without them. This program doesn't even win Western New York without them.
It felt great to be able to represent Canisius at the CFA Research Challenge, especially at such a high level. And it was really, for lack of a better word again, just awesome to see Canisius alongside some of those more globally known schools and just proving that, we deserve to be there and that anybody from Canisius can do anything else that anyone across the world is doing.